In today's video, we are going to cover how to allocate credit note in Xero. You should already be logged into your Xero account, so begin from the main dashboard, go to the top navigation menu and click Sales. When the drop-down menu appears, choose Invoices. This opens the Invoices area where you can work with sales invoices and related credit notes for your customers. On the Invoices page, locate the credit note that you want to allocate. Take a moment to make sure you have identified the correct document before opening it. Once you find it, click the credit note number. That will open the full credit note record so you can review the details and apply the available balance. With the credit note open, look over the information shown on the page. Confirm that the credit note belongs to the correct customer, since Xero will only allow the credit to be allocated against that customer's outstanding invoices. This is the point where it helps to verify the customer name and make sure you are working on the intended transaction. Next, scroll down the page until you reach the Allocate Credit section. In this area, Xero displays the outstanding invoices for that customer that are eligible to receive the credit. You will see the invoices listed, so you can decide where the credit note should be applied. Find the invoice that you want to allocate the credit note to. In the Amount to Credit field for that invoice, enter the amount of the credit you want to apply. If the full credit note should be used on a single invoice, enter that amount there. If only part of the credit should be applied, enter the portion that belongs on that invoice. If needed, you can spread the available credit across more than one outstanding invoice. Enter the amount to apply next to each invoice you want included in the allocation. As you do this, review the figures carefully so the total amount allocated does not go over the remaining balance on the credit note. That is the main detail to check before you continue. Once the amounts look correct, click Allocate Credit. Xero will apply the credit note to the selected invoice or invoices and update the balances. After that, confirm the result on screen. The credit note balance should reflect the amount you allocated, and the outstanding balances on the affected invoices should also be updated to match the credit you applied. Thanks for watching. The credit note is now allocated to the selected invoice or invoices in Xero.